Welcome to day 3. The ribbon burner. The ribbon burner creates a better performance of the forge. Some of my welding looks pretty good on here. I'm pretty happy about that. Some of it looks pretty shitty. I want to finish welding the door. We'll see what that turns out like. We'll find out soon. All right, let's get her going. So I'm basically at the point where I can be pouring the refractory, but I figure I should be double checking everything before I pour, because once it's poured, I don't want to be welding onto the steel because I'm not sure what the effect of the heat from the welder will be on the refractory. Inserting the ribbon burner inside the cavity here, I figured that I don't want any leverage acting on the refractory on the inside against the refractory of the ribbon burner. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just put a square of steel here so that I can drop the ribbon burner with the vertical shaft here. I'm going to add to the ribbon burner as well and just drop it into the square so that it holds it into place. I'll probably put a screw in that as well so that it really sets it in place. And I think I cut a square too. Hey, but I think that'll stop it from levering over and potentially cracking the refractory. For those who have been following along, give me a follow, give me a like, and check back in a couple days and I'll be pouring the refractory. Peace.